Example number 4. That should say A. A positive real number is one more than its reciprocal. Find the number. So they've told you the variable is x. If x is the number, its reciprocal is just 1 over x. And they tell you that the number is one more than its reciprocal. So the number, which is x, is one more than, I'm adding 1 to the reciprocal. And we know how to solve this if, okay, so something weird just happened with my screen, but what I did was I just multiplied through by the common denominator, which in this case is x. So when you multiply here, you get x squared equals x over x is just 1, plus 1 times x is x. Getting everything on the same side, x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. And now I have to pause again. So hang on. Hey, Brooke. Okay, I think we're going to finish it this time before I get interrupted again. So as you can see, it does not factor. Not a good candidate for completing the square because this would be a 1, which is odd. So we'll use the quadratic formula. Here, a equals 1, b equals negative 1, c also equals negative 1. So you have the opposite of b, so the opposite of negative 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that's 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 4, because minus a negative becomes positive, all over 2. So that's 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. And we are not going to leave it in this form because we want to know the value of that number. So you plug it into your calculator, and it is 1 plus the square root of 5. And then I just hit enter. So then I divide by 2, and I get 1.62. And if I do the other one, 1 minus the square root of 5, and then divide by 2, I get negative 0.62. However, when you look back at the problem, it says a positive real number, so it is just 1.62. And I would tell you what to round to on a quiz or test. So there's example number 4.